After washing, chicken is visually inspected. Any damaged or uneven piece is removed. Only perfect pieces continue.
Air blowers remove loose crumbs. This prevents oil contamination later. Clean coating improves frying quality.
Improved Plymouth Rock chicken enters washing lines. Purified water cleans the surface. No chemicals are used.
Automatic machines weigh chicken popcorn. Exact quantity is filled per pack. Accuracy avoids loss.
Automatic machines weigh chicken popcorn. Exact quantity is filled per pack. Accuracy avoids loss.
Boneless chicken breast is used mostly. Bones and excess fat are already removed. This makes processing faster.
Chicken popcorn is a popular fast food snack in America. It is made from small, juicy chicken pieces.
For the crispiest results, deep fry until golden brown. Alternatively, use the air fryer for 15 minutes. Cooling also improves shelf life. Temperature drops gradually. Texture stays crunch.
Each batch is assigned a batch number. Supplier and date details are logged. This ensures full traceability.
Frozen trucks are pre-cooled. Temperature is checked before loading. Cold chain is never broken.
Frying time is very short. Over-frying can dry the chicken. Automation controls timing perfectly.
Marinated chicken rests for some time. This improves taste and softness. Timing is carefully controlled.
Meanwhile, batter mixture is prepared. Flour, starch, and spices are mixed. Cold water keeps batter smooth.
Next is air cooling tunnel. Hot chicken is cooled quickly. This prevents sogginess.
Now chicken popcorn moves to pre-fryer. Oil temperature is around 175-180 degrees Celsius. Oil quality is checked hourly.
Packed products go to cold storage. Temperature stays below Menkers of 18 degrees Celsius. Constant monitoring is done.
Packets are sealed airtight. No air enters inside. This increases shelf life.
Rapid freezing prevents ice crystals. Texture remains intact after cooking. This is called IQF freezing.
Rejected chicken is removed immediately. Food safety rules are strictly followed. Factories follow USDA and FDA guidelines. Rejected packs are removed automatically. Only safe products move ahead. Zero tolerance for contamination.
Stainless steel machines ensure hygiene. Water pressure is carefully controlled. Cleanliness is maintained. Vacuum tumbling is used in big factories. It helps spices go deep inside the meat. Flavor becomes stronger and uniform. Water quality is checked regularly. Only food-grade filtered water is used. Hygiene is a top priority.